years, but welcome the Forest Rangers.
Bon voyage. And this is the port of Caesar, where we're going to get our river taxi. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Amazon River. So what you're seeing here is the two rivers converging. The Black River, which is obviously the Amazonian River, which is the lighter brown colour. The temperatures are different as well. The black is warmer, the Amazon is slightly cooler to the touch. So we're just exiting the land transport, and now we're waiting for the final journey down the river.
Rainforest Rangers are in.
So after our welcome drink and welcome, which was very warm and friendly, we're now heading towards our lodge. So this is our bungalow, the first on the right. So this is the view that we have when we're sitting in our deck chairs. Of the pool, of the Amazon. Oh!
Alright, jungle.
da árvore.
Ah, é verdade, agora eu vi.
Vai, dedinho.
This is the restaurant, and that is Mateus, but you know who Mateus is anyway. These are our fellow travellers. Let me just explain. They are taking a photo of the QR code on Mateus' t-shirt. So Mateus and I have got a good night tonight. We've got a lovely pudding, we've got a beer, and we found a game from the 90s, Solitaire. It's my bed tonight. Look at that, proper bed instead of a tent. And he got a mosquito now, so looking good. And we've also got an aircon unit just up there, so luxury for this evening. Good night. Well, good morning. What an evening. We had thunderstorms, we had torrential rain. It was lovely just listening to the rainfall in the middle of the Amazon. So here we have a breakfast for the Rainforest Rangers to start the day. Let me show you. So it's a little bit like rice pudding. So I think I'm slowly becoming Brazilian. Showed up now, ready for the day's rain and thunder. So we're heading to a local community to have a chat with them, see how they live, see their lifestyle.
Yeah, the Rainforest Rangers!
What are you looking for, Steve?
I'm looking for a turtle.
Oh, right here. Look at that!
This one they found in 2023 and it probably weighs like 5 kilos. Just
The water goes into this point right here, right now.
Very plummy. It's so bitter. Right. Right. You'll see the return of this in a moment in an alcoholic drink. So it's coming in. The fruit that we found in the forest earlier on is in the drink. Off piranha fishing now.